Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a walk on the WAG app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and schedule a walk on the WAG app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the WAG app. Next, click on Walk on the top left-hand corner. So you can select your walk type such as a WAG, Deluxe, or Express. And so with it, click on schedule. Next, you need to add your pet. So we're just going to go ahead and add our pet. I'm going to type in some details, then click on next. So once you enter these details, you just need to go ahead and enter your pet's description. And with it, we're just going to go ahead and take a photo real quick of our dog. So once you add your photo, you can click on next. And then you need to add some details like this, then click on complete. So after you add your pet, select it, click on continue. Then you need to choose a date as far as when the WAG is going to occur. So we're going to choose it for tomorrow. Click on save, set a time, and then you can either choose a caregiver or you can let WAG pick. And with it, it's pretty much just following the on-screen prompts to go ahead and schedule your WAG. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a walk on the WAG app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.